So how to scrape data from websites? What do you mean by scraping the data from websites? So there are situations. Your company want you to do some kind of analysis. They want you to perform competitor analysis. Let's say you are into e-commerce or quick commerce. Whatever the product that you sell it, the prices of the same product, you want to compare it with your competitor's price, so that you can also make sure that your prices are also at least on par or competitive with respect to your the competing companies, right? What we will do is I just go ahead, I just go to the Power BI desktop, and then I go to Google, and here I just say Amazon.in. Something here, mobile phones, yeah, more items to consider. I just click on the mobile phone. Okay, 1 second. Now they made changes to their website. Okay, deep freezers. 1 second. I just or else we'll go to the menu here. Today's deals. I just click on, yeah, today's deals. I just selected it here. So Valentine Day, see more deals. Okay, and then here Valentine Day sales, something like that. And here, these are the different, yeah. So I just select this record. So now Valentine Day is very close, right? Close by. I just copy this URL, and then I just click on the web connector. I just paste this URL here. Let's see if this one works, because everywhere now they implemented a lot of security thing. I don't know if you are able to scrape it. Any of you will see what happens. So now this preview window got opened. So even for the Valentine's Day, you want to give some deals to your customers, okay? So before you do that, you want to compare your competitor prices. Look here. So these are the things are there, and table one. Yes, look here. All the prices you can get it. Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk. Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Valentine's, right? That is what we are seeing it here. What is the price of this one? How many of your Amazon sellers? 284. 284, yeah, the 355, and all the MRP, everything it is giving, right? Yeah. And then similarly, all the other products that are available here, you can see it here. And I just click on the table one, because the table one, I get all the things. So likewise, right, you can select the table two also. And then table two, we are not able to see anything, right? It is not that much clear. And it gives you rating, everything, okay? And then table four, likewise, you can go and explore it, MRP and column two. And table one is helpful at this moment for us to understand what is the price that they are giving it. Yeah, all the things here. And I'm going to hit the load button. So this is called scraping. You can extract the data from the websites directly. Not all the time the data will be available in database or Excel file or CSV file, because the changes are dynamic. Every day prices will change. Every day prices might change. Especially the retail products, the prices may change. In that case, obviously, to grab the data from your competitors. Again, they don't give you the data also. You need to go to their website. using these kind of scrapers and scrape the data. Okay. And then, yes, obviously, look here. You are going to select this clustered bar chart. And here, table 1, I just, expand. I just go here. And what is this column 1? Yeah, this is one painful thing you need to check, right? Column 1, column 2, column 3 is the prices. Okay. So here I just drag and drop the column 1 here. And then the column 2 contain column 3, right? So yeah, column 3 contains prices. So with this, you can make out quickly, right? Which product cost is higher. The topmost thing you can see it here. So earbuds and noise buds. So according to them, these are the items, right? Today's deals. Also, you will get to know which products we can sell it for the Valentine, and which products are costlier. And then you can see that. And then also you can plot the prices here. Look here, this is if you keep the cursor over 4,995, and if you keep the cursor 3,499, likewise you can see everything. So that's pretty much about how to scrape the data from the website, other websites using Web Connector. So now that you learned how to pull the data from the CSV file data, how to pull the CSV file data from GitHub, and how to pull the data from the website directly using Web Connector. In both the cases, GitHub and the Web Connector. So we use the Web Connector only. And next one is Google Drive. Google Drive, we will see it later. Okay, and JSON data. I just click on this one, and then I just minimize this. The chart size became too big. Okay, now we will see how to load a JSON file. Hit this get data icon, and then here you don't see that JSON file. Click on the more and wait for some time. Look here in the all, on the right side of the all, right? You can see JSON connector. There is a connector alpha JSON. Okay, connect, and then let me see, are there any JSON files are available? Yeah, we have something customer JSON one. I'm going to hit the okay. Something different when it comes to JSON file button. Instead of opening the preview window, data preview window, it opens up the Power Query editor. Look here, this is your Power Query editor, right? You can see this data here directly. So with this latest version, it is pretty straightforward. Only difference is instead of opening up the data preview window, it directly opens up the Power Query editor with all the data. But in the previous version, the same thing is, it used to do the same thing, but you need to do certain additional tasks to extract the data from JSON file. But with latest version, you don't have that headache. Look here, everything got loaded. Okay. But only thing is, if you see here, address.city, address.city, address.zip code, and email, everything is there. Okay. Yeah. So address column, whatever is there, it is there. Only thing is, you need to rename these columns: street, city, and zip code. It's prefacing with the address.city. Okay. I just click on close and apply. So when I click on close and apply, this Power Query editor will get closed, and then the data will get loaded. Okay, the JSON file got loaded. Go to the table view and then customer JSON one. You can see, the customer JSON file here. Very good. So with this, you are able to understand how to load a JSON file data. It's pretty simple. What is JSON? JSON is a lightweight data interchange format. See, it is an advanced version of the XML file. So in the past, in the older days, right, we were using HTML file. And then what happened to store the data, hierarchical data, they want something like a XML file. The challenge with XML file is you should be a developer, or you should be knowing the tags and all, HTML tags or XML tags to interpret, what data is there, where and all. So what happened? Someone, right? They came up with something called a JSON file. JSON file is human readable format. So you don't have to use any tags, nothing. It's very simple one, and it is easy to read and write. Okay. I just open the customer JSON. I don't know if this is one or customer JSON one. Yeah, look here, customer JSON one. I just right click on it. Right click on it, and then here we will find the edit with Notepad++. Look here, it's pretty straightforward, isn't it? Plain English, the key value, but the values got stored like a key value pair, right? So this is your key, and followed by the colon, you can see the value. Like in a table or in Excel file, the first row you will find the column name, right? So here the first column is a column names. Second one is your values. So name, age, city, these are like column names. And then these are the values. What values are there in each column, you can find it. And also this is very easier. Can you see any script? Nothing. Any tags? Nothing. Very easy to understand. Even you can create a JSON file, right? So name, but you need to put it in double quote, followed by that colon, and then you specify, because since it's a text and it has a space here, you need to use double quote. String data. Okay. Age is a numeric value. Simply specify numeric value. Is that much simple. False is a Boolean value. Okay. Is student false? Is not a student. Maybe is a he is a professional. He is working somewhere. Okay. Since it is a in the human readable format, right, so most of them, they prefer JSON. Nowadays you can see the data are in JSON files also. Instead of XML file, they send the data in JSON file. It is the other advantage. This one is easy for machines to parse and generate. It composed of key value pair, as I showed you. Okay, this is your key, and the next one is the value. Okay. Next one is the OData feed, that we will see it later. Okay, and database also, there are some changes they made it on